My name is Marty, and this is my story. In '89, I had Hodgkin's disease, went through high-dose radiation. I don't know how much dose of radiation I've had in my lifetime, but I'm pretty sure I could light a few light bulbs up. So I remember getting back from a guitar build class that I helped teach in Marion, Virginia. It was a later part of November 22. And in passing, she goes, "What's that on your neck?" And I'm like, "What are you talking about?" So she comes up and she feels my neck and she goes, "That." And I'm like, "Geez, I didn't really notice it." And so we made an appointment to see the doctor. They line up the x-rays, the CAT scans. Those came back. They were indecisive, so they did a needle biopsy. And it came back undecisive. They lined up doing a full biopsy of the lump. The results came back as a liposarcoma. This thing doesn't clock out at night. It's continually working. All the time and delays is just like, why? I mean, there should be a clearer, quicker path to cure. And from my standpoint, is they were going to treat me with only the tools they had in their toolbox. And then you start finding out that there's even more technology out there available that none of these facilities are using that could have prevented a lot of the doses of this, that, and the other thing I was getting. To find out that there's a CAT scan machine that does spectral, that can see things that you can't see with any other system. Why the hell aren't you using it? So I'm a retired machinist. So if anybody knows anything about tools, it's this guy. There's always a tool that makes your job better. No matter what you do, you have to have the latest, greatest tools in your toolbox. If there was any message I could give to anybody through my journey with this, is you remember that you're doing this for the patient's outcome. The bottom line is taking care of the patient. I'd just like to really thank all the medical professionals out there that took care of me over the last many decades. Without y'all, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have a family. You guys are all it.